Welcome to this meditation on self-reflection and personal growth. Find a quiet and comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. And then slowly exhale. Let go of any tension in your body with each breath. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment, free from distractions. Bring your awareness to your body. Start by focusing on your feet. Feel the ground beneath them. Slowly move your attention up your legs, noticing any sensations or areas of tension. Relax your feet and legs. Now, bring your awareness to your abdomen. Feel it rise and fall with each breath. Relax the abdomen muscles and all the organs within. Move your focus to your chest and shoulders. Let your shoulders relax. Feel your chest expand as you breathe in, and contract as you breathe out. Finally, bring your attention to your neck and head. Relax your jaw and soften your face. Feel the top of your head and imagine a sense of lightness there. Now, focus on your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breathing. Feel the air entering through your nose, filling your lungs when you inhale, and how the breath gently leaving you as you exhale. If your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to your breath. As you continue to breathe deeply and comfortably, begin to reflect on your personal growth. Think about the following questions, taking your time to explore each one. 1. What am I grateful for in my life right now? Take a moment to identify the things, people, or experiences that bring you joy and gratitude. Let these thoughts fill your heart with warmth and appreciation. Allow yourself to feel the gratitude fully. 2. What are my recent achievements? Reflect on the accomplishments you've made recently. It could be something significant or a small victory. Acknowledge your efforts and the progress you've made, no matter how minor it may seem, without judgment. 3. What challenges have I faced recently? Consider the difficulties and obstacles you've encountered. Think about how these challenges have shaped you and what lessons you've learned from them. Reflect on how these challenges have contributed to your growth. 4. What qualities or strengths have helped me overcome these challenges? Identify the personal strengths and qualities that have enabled you to navigate through tough times. It could be perseverance, creativity, kindness, or any other attribute. Appreciate these parts of yourself. 5. What areas of my life would I like to improve? Take a gentle, non-judgmental look at areas where you feel there is room for growth. It could be related to your career, relationships, health, or personal development. Be honest with yourself and consider what steps you can take to improve these areas. See your future self having achieved personal growth and the improvements you desire. Visualize how your life has improved and how you feel as a result. Silently repeat the following affirmations or create your own. I am capable of growth and change. I embrace challenges as opportunities for growth. I am proud of my progress and excited about my future. Slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently stretch your body. And when you feel ready, open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Carry this sense of reflection and growth with you throughout your day. Thank you for taking this time for yourself and joining us in this meditation. Namaste.